Should we introduce ourselves?
No.
Oh. I didn't suggest that. I'm totally cool enough not to suggest that.
That's okay.
Okay.
They know us by now.
They should. This is not low class. I just
All
want
right.
that for the record.
What's this? Cambridge.
Cambridge.
You start.
Why do I have to start?
Okay, Pringle will start. 1, 2, 3.
Cambridge, I'm taking the T
into
Cambridge.
Don't
Don't
wanna
wanna
be
be in
right
right
anymore.
anymore.
Cambridge, taking the red line T into
Into
Cambridge. Don't wanna be downtown anymore.
I
May
may
miss the T,
but the
T won't miss me.
I
May miss the T,
the
T won't miss me.
The last train to
Jamaica
Jamaica
plane
plane.
on
Last train to Jamaica plane. When I get to Roxbury, gotta leave in a hurry.
on the last train to Jamaica plane. On the last train to Jamaica plane. When I get to Jackson Square, I don't wanna be there, son. Last train to Jamaica plane.
It's the
Woo,
last
yeah.
train to Jamaica plane.
Yeah.
And the green line goes.
And the T go.
Alright.
That's our train song. Guess where we live. Don't guess where we live.
Don't
Don't
guess where
don't
we
come find us.
It doesn't matter.
Wait,
You never saw
what was
this.
the blue line rap I made again?
Oh.
Blue Line doesn't matter. All they have is shuttle buses. They don't
Alright,
count.
it was I'm gonna take. Wait.
It was good too.
I was gonna make a song about the blue line,
Blue line.
but that shit never get here on time.
On time.
I always gotta take the fucking shuttle bus.
Shuttle bus.
Because the T don't fucking care about us.
Us. Bus us.
Bus us to Wonderland, y'all.
To Wonderland.
To Wonderland. About to go to Wonderland. What? Like
With
Alice.
the T passing my hand. Gonna go to Wonderland.
T
It's a real
passing
place.
in my
It's
hand,
It's
about
not
to
as wonderful
go
as it
there
sounds.
No,
to
it really isn't.
Wonderland. Take that pass in my hand, yeah. About to go to Wonderland, yeah. Dun, dun, pass in my hand, yeah. About to go to Wonderland, yeah. Take that commuter rail to Salem. Go to Salem
For Halloween.
for Halloween, Salem.
Gonna take the T.
Salem. Gonna take that T, bitch, Salem. Take
Oh,
the
you forgot the
T,
silver
Salem.
line.
Oh, we forgot the silver line.
Silver Line is a bunch of buses, and they just decided not to roll the orange line through the ghetto.
We don't roll that way.
So they just made like a glorified bus line. It's awful.
I like the silver line.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
It's actually really good. Yeah.
And this is how schizophrenia works.
Yeah.
Just kidding. That's not a joke.
I think that the silver line should be the rainbow line because it goes through sometimes.
Go to the rainbow line.
And
So
that-
many
I never
gay
realized
people.
how
So
it's
many
South End.
gay people on the
You get
silver.
it?
I got it.
South End.
I'm on
South
the
End.
silver line going to South End. So many gay people here on
Not
South
even.
You're going to my
End,
South
yeah.
End? Franco, we talked about
I
this.
know. That's not going to happen.
We haven't.
It
But
belongs
now
to
we're gonna need to.
No. Okay, awkward. So good. Stay in the North End, Franco. Jeez.
I haven't been to the fourth end.
Fourth End.
It's got the best cannolis.
You
Best
got the
cannolis.
That's where we roll with our homies.
That's what we roll with the homies. But to eat the best cannolis. But to go to Italian North End. Got some money to spend.
Oh, shit. We
Get
used
some
to do this-
pizza. What you think, huh?
Pizza.
I'm
That's what I
hungry. I
think.
need to eat some.
Need to eat some, get some pizza. Going to the North End. Got some money to spend. Got the pizza.
Gotta eat some.
Pizza.
What
Alright.
is that? Yeah. That was
Pretty good, guys. Actually.
Can we all put our hands in there and then throw them up?
All right, let's go.
Right.
Oh.
What do we say? Family channel
channel.
on 3.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Family channel, bitches.